Alright, so conscious. Shit getting crazy, huh? Shit getting crazy. Here we go. Lucid dreams, so I can't be out here living stupid.
And this is the adventure of the small kitchen. For our dumpling wrapper, we will be using flour or all-purpose flour, egg, salt, cornstarch, and water. Okay guys, so first we sift our flour. So the first cup, that's 2 cups of flour. And then you add in your half teaspoon of salt. And then we mix that in. Afterwards, we now put in our egg, beaten egg. Then we mix it. And then we will slowly add our half cup of water. If you have a stand mixer, this would be much better, or a hand mixer. So mix that well, and then we need to form a dough. So when your dough have already come together, just continue kneading it until it is soft. And then later on, I will show you how for the window test, so that we will know that our dough is ready. So if you don't have a big space, you can just knead it in the bowl. Make use of your space, since we're doing this in our small kitchen. So when your dough is ready, you can window test it by pressing it down, and you will see that it bounced back again. So your dough is ready, and you should get a smooth and soft bowl like this. And then put this back again in your bowl and cover it. So once your dough is ready, cover it with a damp cloth, or in the same bowl, cover it with a cling wrap and let it rest for an hour. For the filling, I'll be using ground beef, since in Arab countries they don't have pork. 1 medium and small onion, 1 egg, 3 pieces of carrots, or 1 big carrot and a small one, and then cornstarch, salt, pepper, and this is a complete seasoning since I don't have a nor cube or garlic powder, so I'll be using this one, which is what is available in the kitchen. And I will be adding mushrooms. These are shitake mushrooms, which I have already soaked overnight, so that it will be soft and easy to mix with the ingredients.
Mince your onion and mushrooms. For our carrots, for the easy way, I'll just be shredding these carrots into a bowl. So we gather all our ingredients in a bowl.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty
of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
Your dough is ready. You get some cornstarch and dust your mat. It's okay, you need a generous amount of cornstarch. So need a little bit. And section your dough. If you have a cutter, you can do that. That's fine. Since I only have a small space, so with your rolling pin, since I don't have a dough cutter, I'll be using this one. So I'll just be putting cornstarch so that it won't stick. And cut it, and we will just be using circle because it's much easier when you mold your or put in your filling. So stack up your dough and put up some cornstarch. So you would have to use this right away and put in your filling because this will stick easily. In your steamer, you put in some parchment paper and just make sure you put some holes so that the heat will not be trapped and your siomai will be cooked. So now we will now test our dumpling. So do an okay sign and put some filling in the center. And just squeeze it like that. So just continue rolling it and just squeeze it like that. And you now have a siomai. Put it in the steamer and cover it and wait for it to cook 30 minutes.
Do you want to know what's simple but tastier? B-roll.
Hey people, so we are now going to taste our siomai. For my dipping sauce, I will make another video for this. So we now taste this. I have already did this before, but I didn't make a video. And this is, I tweaked this. I put some mushroom. So I will now put it in the dipping sauce. I think I have made the wrapper a little bit thick. Mmm. 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 Okay. So good. It's just hot. This is good. I was craving for a siomai, and since it's my birthday tomorrow, that's why I made this for my birthday. So I'll just finish this, guys, and I'll see you all in another one. Happy eating!
Conscious. She getting crazy, y'all. She getting crazy.